Last session we have explored that means how to configure the Office 365. Now in today's session what we are going to learn means how we can add the new users. While configuring we have added 5 different users, but how we can add the different users, new users from admin center. As earlier we discussed and I told you that Azure Active Directory is there. Azure Active Directory is there. The role of Azure Active Directory to authorize and authenticate the users. Means what is the meaning of the authorize and authenticate? Okay, so authorize and authenticate. First thing is that here whenever you open any uh, Office 364 5 folder, then it will open this sign in window. Okay, so I will show you how we will open that sign in window. First thing, we how we can go to the our Office 365 folder. Say here Microsoft O 365 login. Click here. Okay, sign in. Okay, so you can see this window. And here you can see Raju at the caesarvision india.onmicrosoft.com. And you know that in last session we have created this user while configuring the Office 365. Okay, so here it asks me the password. If this users means login details are not available in cache memory, then it will ask you to enter the username also. Okay, so what I do, or if means it will looks like this. See, signing with other users. See, I use other user like this way. Okay, and you will say next. Okay, then it will come to same way. Okay, so here you need to enter the password. See, here this is a window. This is a login window. This is a login window of a Office 365. Entire environment you will see this kind of a window when you are logging with any application or anywhere. Okay, but this you enter this login details. Okay, you enter this login details and password here. Okay, so what exactly happened? As I have told you, there is the Azure Active Directory is there. Azure Active Directory is there, and you can see this same window. This is our sign in and all these things as I have shown you here. Okay, as I have shown you it here. Okay, means Raju at that Caesar Vision India on Microsoft.com. Okay, so what he will do, he put his credential here. Then what happened once he enter his credential there? Consider this is the Raju. Okay, he is accessing say Outlook. Okay, he is accessing the Outlook from Office 365. Means Outlook will get access to him through this, but this is not the way, right? With he directly accesses. So first of all, what happened when Raju is trying to access the Office 365 request goes here. Okay, Office 365. It's checked that Raju is not at the validated, so it will go and send this form to Raju. Okay, Raju fill these details here. Then he passed to the Azure Active Directory. Then Azure Active Directory, what it will do? It will check. What it will check. Say so. It will check that. It will check that what it will check say Raju. Okay, at the rate what is the name, Caesar Vision. Okay, and .com. Okay, whatever our domain name. Okay, then after that he enter the password. Say his password is Raju at that 123 his password. Okay, so these details he pass. Okay, this is the password for consider at the rate PSW 124. Okay, this is the password of the Raju. Okay, so this is the login name and password. So what happened in Azure Active Directory, it will check that. Okay, in Azure Active Directory there are the data located here. Okay, means there are information stored here and which contain the login ID and all. Okay, means this is the login ID here and password is here. So Azure Active Directory matches the login ID and password to matching the user ID and password. What I'm saying, to matching the user ID and password, which is called as what is called as authentication. Okay, so authentication means it will match user ID and password. Commonly question asked, it will match user ID and password here. Okay, once the user ID and password match, means it will say yes, it's a true, means this user ID and this password are match in Azure Active Directory, and it will say yes, this authentication means these details are true, means this user is authenticated. This process is called as authentication process. To match the user ID and password in a database repository, which is called as authentication. And then what is the authorization? What is the authorization? Then system will check that what is the role of this user. What is the role of this user? Okay. So consider the what is the role of this user. So role of user. Okay, so what is the role of user? Consider this user is admin user. Okay, so global admin. Okay, so as this is the role of user, what is the role? Means now we are moving to the authentication. Means you just match the user ID and password. Then authorization check that he is the global admin. Means what are the different areas we need to provide him access. Okay, we need to on what are the different areas on which we will provide him access. He is a global admin, means he can access anything. But if he is considered he is the Outlook admin or SharePoint admin. Okay, there are different roles are there. Okay, means roles means what is his work or what is his role in Office 365. There are different users having different roles. Someone is an admin, SharePoint admin. Some users are particular site admin. Some users are OneDrive admin. Some users are considered Office document admin, or some users having only read access. Some users having few access. So everything is managed. Okay, so consider there are different roles are there. Okay, so what kind of roles as I have discussed? Consider view only, means they can view only. Consider consider SharePoint SP admin, SharePoint admin only. So these kind of roles are there. So based on that, so what happened here? Now role. Now they check the role of this user. The Raju is login and now he is authenticated. Now it check the role of the user is global admin. Then it will provide him global admin. Then what it will do? It will provide authorize him to access this Outlook. Authorize him to access this Outlook. So what happened? Authorize him to access this Outlook means now this process is called as authorization. What I'm saying, this process is called as authorization. Okay, so you understand the difference between authentication and authorization. Authentication means just check that what is the user ID and password, and authorization means you are going the authority to access the content based on his role. Role based authorization means it gives the authorization to access the Outlook. Okay, so I hope you understand the difference between authentication and authorization and how Azure Active Directory perform this role. Now moving ahead. Okay, now I go here. Okay, I'll go here. Now I will enter these details. Okay, now I enter this detail. Request goes to the Azure Active Directory. It authenticate, then authorize to me, Mr. Raju, and then Raju is able to access. Now we are here in this window. We can see here is the home window. We can see here different apps here. You can access see all the apps here. Okay, so here there are different apps you can see. As yesterday I discussed with you, this is admin, which is the admin center or centralized admin panel through which we perform the different configuration operation on Microsoft Office 365. Okay, so then there are different kind of apps. So see, calendar is one app. Okay, Dello is one app, Excel is one app, Form is one app, OneDrive is one app, Outlook is one app, Power App is one app. Okay, People is one app. Okay, so what happened means what is the purpose of this app? Okay, so each app having their own purpose. Each app it will provide their own service to the organization. Okay, to the organization. Consider in my organization there are different events are there. So what I do, I'll directly go here in a calendar. Okay, I'll directly go in the calendar. See, yeah. So how it will open? It opening the calendar. In a calendar, consider on 25th on a 25th on a 25th consider this is month December. If I want to add some event here. I will add the event, say annual event. Okay, annual event is there. Some events are there in the organization, annual events. So I will give the time, say this 2 hours timing is there. Okay, so this is the calendar. In the calendar I'm creating the event, to whom you are to invite to that event. If, say I will invite Pankaj Pawar. Okay, say there are different Sardar Tadmare, there are different, these users I have already created. This is not their own user ID. This is our users we have created initially. Okay, then consider Swami Nole. I invited these people for annual event, and if I click, then email notification goes to those people. So this is the purpose of a calendar, and this calendar is for an organization level calendar, and people will check the what is the event. Okay, so this is for event. Then our main expectation on the apps is, our main is expectation is calendar, OneDrive, then people, Power Automate, Power Apps, then Outlook, then Excel, Form. Okay, so uh, so this is a compliance, means organization level compliance details. OneNote is also there. So I will explain one by one what is the purpose of these applications, and one important application on which we will deep dive, which is a SharePoint, then also Teams. Okay, so I will go one by one and explain each purpose of each application. This is for admin center. If you want to schedule and manage appointment both inside and outside organization, means consider organization like Reliance, it having around 1000 conference room across the India. So what they want, if you want to book the conference room or meeting rooms. Okay, so there is a booking application is there, then calendar to add the event, organization event or any event or meeting, schedule meeting for that. Compliance means organization related settings, legal setting, or if you want to in compliance, if you want to restrict user to delete the content, if you want to not to allow user to add multiple documents at a time, if you don't want to allow to share the content outside the organization, these are the compliance policies are there. Okay, we'll come to that point also in future. Del, so del is the, it will display the personal information on the front end. Okay, means on, if I am the user, so what is my area and what all the information it will display in a Dell app. So dynamic CRM, dynamic 365 is called. Okay, so it's a special separate part. Dynamic CRM means it's a separate technology. There are different team or developer team is there, they work on dynamic CRM for reporting and enterprise resource planning and all different management related things. Means I have also don't know the more input details on dynamic CRM. Means it's a huge topic, dynamic CRM. Okay, then Excel to manage the content, Google Forms, like same way there is a Microsoft come up with the forms. Okay, so see, this is a Kai Jhala. This is a simple WhatsApp kind of application for mobile chatting. Then list allow user to so a list means allow user to create a list, and in that list they maintain the data. There is a form associated with that list and user fill those details. So my analytics create better work habits with insight into your meeting email and focus hours. Then means what happened in my analytics. So while working you are in meeting or means your focus content, means you have any email but you have not replied to that email, then it will highlight that this email is still pending in your inbox, you have not replied to that email, this upcoming meeting. So focus related things are highlighted in my analytics. OneDrive, which is used to store the content like our Google Drive. Then OneNote, it will use in, if you have like this sticky note, you keep the OneNote. Okay, so you just maintain your notes and on your device or laptop or anywhere. Okay, Outlook, for its main purpose of Outlook is for email communication. That is a very important, Outlook is there. Okay, so if you go in Outlook, see, so what is the Outlook? See, Outlook is here. It is used to email communication and all. If see, if you go anywhere, you can see these 9 dots. There is specific word to that. I cannot recall that name right now. But if you click on that, you can see there. You can access the apps from, if you are any app. You are in any app, you can access it from anywhere. Okay, if you are in a calendar also, you can access this here, and you go in the all apps. Okay, so no means you will not get redirect to any place, and you will do not feel that I have miss somewhere, and I redirect to some other place, and I am not able to come back to my original place. So just concentrate on this six dot, and you can redirect to any app anytime. So consider this is OneDrive. I click on this OneDrive. I can upload the content, files, whatever the information I want. I will store it. Okay. So it's based on organization policy how much storage they want to allow to the organization for each user. So I can upload any kind of contents here. I can if I have the contents on my local drive, I can upload that contents, and I share those contents with my friends or people those who are in organization. Okay, so yesterday there was I have shared one content to the Pankaj, but it was not okay. I will show you how I'm in OneDrive. Okay, I create the one Excel here and show you how it will work. So I have created Excel. Now it automatically move into the here. I will say here EMP number. No, see here I'm directly accessing it in a browser. See I'm in a browser. I don't have a specific local desktop application, Excel application there. Okay, so I directly accessing it from this. You can see the beauty of Office 365. No need to install specific software or app related software. Earlier what happened, for Outlook I need to install the Microsoft Outlook. For Office I need to install Office. For Teams chatting I need to install the Teams. So all those things are associated there. But see, through this means everything you can manage through the uh, of your browser. Okay, let me emp just a minute. So these are the details. Consider here contact and address. Okay, okay, these consider this Raju is the person. Now Raju is Caesar India. Okay, Caesar India is the email ID or common email ID. This is 123 1 4 5, and these are the four, means many users are there. Consider here is the Swami is the employee, and he is having salary, but contact and address details are not mentioned here. Actually salary should not be there, because we it will not disclose to anyone. Okay, so Swami, then here Pankaj, then here so, okay. So these people are there, but this contact and address details are not there. So what Swami Raju will do? Raju share this with the Swami and Pankaj. So I will share it with the Swami. You can see here, Swami. See Swami Caesar Vision India. Okay. So this is the organization employee, and we check that. See this what kind of I will say allow update, allow editing, or only you want to view access. Okay, what kind of access you want to provide? People in Caesar Vision Pune with this link, people with existing access, and specific people will come across this point again. Okay, but right now I just share and I will show you. Okay, and if I want to I just put the message, please fill contact and address. Okay, I just say please fill contact and address. Now now what I do, see I have sent one email. Now what I do, I will go into the IE Internet Explorer, and I log in with the Swami's email ID over there. Okay, so I will go here. Now yesterday I got the email for the user ID and password for all users. See here Swami, and his password is here. I will share these details with you. So I'm here. Now here again I need to log into the Office 365 portal. Same process, same Microsoft password. You can see here OneDrive Outlook is there. I just click here. Okay, no need to worry, just a click here. I click on that. It will go to the Outlook, and it will ask you to login details. Okay, so I will log in with the Swami's credential. Okay, means if you are in you see the Outlook, you can click see here Microsoft. Okay, click here. It's not normally when you log into the Outlook. See here, there is another person details are there. I will say sign in with a different Microsoft account. Yeah. Now I will put here Swami. Okay, and I will go back and copy the. Okay. Next. Now it will. I'm in other browser in Chrome. I'm logged in with the Raju, and here uh, I log in through the Caesar. Consider that. See now you see the beauty of this. Initially, the Swami is login. I provided him user ID and password. Now he asking that change the password. So you understand the security. First time Swami is logging to the system. Okay. So I know old password. So I pass the old, and I will add the say Swami. Put the password. Swami at the 23. Swami at the 23. Okay. I change the password. Okay. Means initially first trade system will ask him to change the password. Old password is wrong. So I will go back and copy it again. Maybe Swami changed. No, I don't think so. He changed. See, still it's saying that we have seen the password too many times. Too many times before choose something harder and this. Okay. Okay. This password I need to change that. Okay, I will change that password. Okay. Uh, okay, I changed the password and say sign in. Okay. Now I have changed the password. We have seen that the password too many times before choose something harder ways. Okay, means many people use same password, so I will change it again. Means you understand that means how secure these things are there. Okay, now maybe hope to, okay, now I have entered the different password, then it will allow to Swami to the login. Now see, now here you can see I'm logging with the Swami's email ID. Now here Swami received email from that. See, Caesar Vision shared with the file because Caesar India is the display name for Raju's account. Okay, now I click here. See how we collaborate. Consider Swami is sitting in America and I'm sitting in India, and I share just file with the Swami. Okay, so first time it will give me the welcome message. See, in I have created one event. Swami got the notification for that. Okay, so Swami see that Swami says please fill the contact and address. So Swami understand that he either click here or click here. Okay, it will directly redirect to Excel. Okay, so when simultaneous means see Swami click here, Swami click here and enter his details. Okay, now sorry, Swami enter his details, put here details. Okay, put his address details. Okay, Swami fill these details, and same time if I go here, here see what you can see here, guest contributor message. See here message, guest contributor means someone is I have shared that link and he is the contributing, he is working on that guest contributor. See, I can see the changes are reflecting in a Google Chrome now, but where he was doing the changes, he is sitting in America and he is working on this Excel. Okay, and he just put fill details here and he fill the details. Okay, and just put the junk data here. See here you can see Caesar India. Caesar India's cursor is here. Caesar means Swami understand that Caesar India means this is a Raju is doing something on this sale. Okay, if I go in a Google Chrome, see my cursor is here. If I move my cursor here, see here, I move into the Chrome. See my cursor is here in IE. I'm in IE now. Means quickly Swami know that he what exactly he wants to do and what some other person is doing. See now here Swami can do his changes, but Swami same time understand if I'm from here, I'm in here and I'm doing changes here 1 2 3. Okay, I'm the Caesar India. Okay, Caesar India. Now I will go here in IE. See Swami, quickly see the changes what I'm doing. Okay, so this kind of a collaboration is there. Means, I just want to show you how fast technologies are growing, and means even though I'm doing some changes on Excel, same time Swami can check the content, and he, if you do the some changes, and means here what exactly happened earlier. What happened? I need to attach, update the Excel, then attach the Excel, then Pankaj will log in. Pankaj again download that Excel, fill his content, again upload that content, again Shraddha will upload. But at the end, Swami received three different, or Raju received three different Excels. Then again he need to collaborate or consolidate all the information in a one Excel. So there is, it will increase the work of a Raju. Okay, so due to this sharing content, and I collaborated in all the content, and my file is ready. After tomorrow, next day, Raju check that 1000 users are there, and I have saved the Excel with 1000 users are okay. Then Raju check the, oh, all the details are ready. Now Raju is going to share to with the senior manager that yes, the contact and address details are fit by all the employees, and I'm sharing this content with my CEO of company. Okay, so this is the way of the collaboration, means how fast we collaborate the content. So see, the traditional way of work is nowadays no more exist. Means download the content, fill the Excel, again another Excel will come in my inbox, again download, then copy the content, paste it. No, that work will be not available. Okay, so just I would like to, I have explained the two things here: Outlook, how Outlook is work, and how we can share the content with Excel. Same way in all application sharing is there. Okay, so manage the people's in organization. For that purpose, people tab is there. Planner, if you want to create some plan, project plan and all that, for that there is a planner application here. Power apps, we are going to deep dive in this power apps. Earlier also I have told you, this is power apps. The purpose of this power app, we are going to update the forms. Different forms are there to fill the contents. Miss list, library forms are there. You cannot the forms means that means if you are filling some information, so there is a forms. Okay, you can create your own apps, mobile apps or web app. Means if you are saying ki, in organization I want to create the leave management app, you can create no problem through the power app. So power automate is, there are different business flows associated. Leave management app is there, and behind it there is a flow. What flow is doing? Once leave is submitted, then request goes to my team lead approve, then project manager. Once the project manager approve, I will got the email that yes, your leave will approve. So this is called as a flow. Okay, flow means the approval process flow. We'll come into that. We are going to deep dive in these two things also. Okay, after that, you know the PowerPoint. What is the purpose of PowerPoint? Project. There is a project planning purpose. Okay, security means what kind of security, means you want one-time authentication or two level federated authentication, means OTP and all these things are configured to this security. Then important thing is SharePoint. SharePoint is a big topic, and this is very important, and very advanced features are here. We'll come to that in upcoming sessions. We are going to deep dive in this also. Then stream video and meeting conference room all recorded here. Then this way, so here if you have any report or organization related things you want to share, you can share through this way. Teams for internal communication, internal chatting. Okay, so I will click on Teams and I will show how it will work. Okay, so earlier you know that many of you use the Skype, or generally we guys, you people use the WhatsApp, but Teams is a really advanced thing. Okay, it really advanced means if you have, you can schedule meeting, conference, many people collaborate at a one place, same like Google Meet, but there are many advanced technology and concepts and features are there. Through the Teams you can see, get the, it's first it's saying that get the app, means a team is also having their own app like a desktop app. If you don't want the desktop, you can access Teams through the web version. Okay, here Raju is here, and here so Swami is here. Swami open his Teams at his end. Say I will open it in new tab. See, So Swami is going to open. What it's saying that use the advanced browser. See, Edge browser. That one is also Microsoft Edge. Okay. So here Teams. This is the UI of the Teams. Okay. Same UI you can see in the where you can see same UI you can see in um, uh, desktop version also. Okay. So here Teams. If I want to chat with someone, I just search here his name. Say Swami. It will give me the intelligence reference that. See here. Wait up. New chat. I click on that. See, I enter the suggestion, 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 suggestion. Okay. See here. Let's say hi. Send it to the Swami. So the message goes to the Swami. See, see, see. I have sent two messages here. You can see I have sent. Here I can schedule the meeting with. I can call Swami right now from here. Teams. These teams also exist. You can install Microsoft Teams and log in with your credentials. I will give users and multiple users also. So I will go here and check continue browser. We shipped to the edge here. Okay, let me check Swami again. I need to log in with the Swami. Okay, so Microsoft Edge come up with the more compatibility and features and support application for 55. So that's why oh, it's logging with Roger. Okay, actually I need to Swami now. Swami password. Recently I have changed the password. Okay, save this password so that it will be required in the future purpose also. So what we are doing here, I am from Google Chrome and I move into here I'm in Internet Explorer or Edge. Okay, let me close the remaining tabs. For Outlook is also opening here. I close this thing. Now we are discussing about Teams. Okay, here, here, here. Next meeting we will schedule on Teams. So click on Teams. Click on Teams. So it will click the browser version of a Teams, and through Teams I discuss with the Swami. I can call Swami. I can send the files on the Teams. Anything I can do on the with the Swami. Means Swami is sitting in America. Okay, and I'm in India. Okay, Swami got message here. You can see Swami click there. Chat. Caesar India. He got the message. Okay, and he say hi. Please send yes, actually first time in the teams, that's why it gives the guideline things. Okay, let me open here. So please send me uh, file. Okay, some discussion is going on. Okay, so first time he sent this message. Okay, so I got the message on Chrome. Okay, see Swami dropped me a message. Please send me file. So what file? I know that yesterday, and I see, 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 and I paste here. See here. Oh, sorry, link is not copied. So let me copy the link. So here you can see the copy link. Then here I need to say copy. Okay, so I copy that link. I'll go here and paste. Okay, then Swami will receive this link here. Once I paste this link, then Swami is on page. See, Swami received the link. Swami click here. Okay, he redirect to the Excel directly. See how fast. Swami is sitting in US. If you want to do changes, okay, know that. Okay, if Swami want some attachment, okay, Swami want some attachment, or Swami want to attach something. Okay, Swami go here. Swami can share anything. So is there file on OneDrive? No, he want to upload from his own computer. Okay, he click on that. Consider he will go on desktop. There is a file. This image he want to share. Okay, this image will get attached. Earlier what happened, this kind of features are not there. Okay, so see how fast collaboration work here. Okay, I quickly send image. Okay, see Swami can, and I will receive the image here. Swami send one image to me and I will receive the image. You can see here image. Okay, so I click and I work on that. I want to call the Swami. I'm calling Swami. See here, I'm calling. It asks you allow. So I'm calling Swami. Select allow. Let Microsoft Teams use your mic and browser. See, I'm calling Swami. Notification here. Notification here. See here. It's a calling process is going on. See, calling. See, Caesar India is calling. Swami will join this or accept the video call. He accept it. There will be the echo. Okay, it will allow him. It cannot work. So here you can see that the communication will start here, and we can. I mute the mic. Okay, so you can share screen and you can do anything. Okay, I'll close this one. Okay, there was echo, that's why I stopped the calling. So I just want to show you that uh, you can do anything, conference call, video call, anything through this Teams is a very advanced tool, and there are many features. If I want to schedule meeting with anyone, I click here, that calendar app will replicate here quickly. So there are many features, advanced features, concepts are there, and those are fully used in this Teams. Okay, Teams is a really advanced platform. You can create the, consider I have the one project, you can create the team of the people. Okay, so we'll discuss on that topic. Okay, as of now we are in apps. Okay, so to-do list is like a tracker, whiteboard if I want to write something, word, yammer like Facebook kind of thing within organization. See, these are the major apps. Okay, then you, if you see, there is a huge app cloud like Android. Then there are many different kind of app you can see. If you go scroll and search, there are many apps are there. Okay, so today what you are going to do, you are just explore these apps, how these apps are working. You just explore all the apps, go in one by one app and try to explore. Important thing today I would like to tell you. So as of now you don't have user, I will create the user for you. Okay, so I stop, this is for apps, app session, I will stop.